What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your Facebook account completely private on your phone. So let's get started right now. If you are using Android or iOS, this will work for you. So if you want to make your Facebook account completely private, all you have to do, guys, is just open your Facebook account, and you want to see this, you can see this menu at the very bottom right, and it can also be in the top right. Okay, so if it's in the bottom right, you want to click this menu here, and then you want to scroll down a little bit and then click settings and privacy. Okay, just click settings and privacy, and then you want to click privacy shortcuts. Okay, just click privacy shortcuts, and here you want to click under your privacy, you want to click take a privacy checkup. Okay, take a privacy checkup, just click it, and here you want to select the first option, which is who can see what you share. Just click it, and here you can click continue. Okay, just click continue, and here you have to turn everything only me. You have to change from friends to only me. Okay, so for example, your email address, just only me. Okay, do only me to everything here, only me again and again, only me, and this again, only me. You are interested, only me. It's already only me, so you have to change everything to only me, and then click next, and then click next again. Okay, and it's going to change from, and if you want future posts, you can then do only me. Okay, click more. Okay, click more, and then click only me, and then go back, and now it's only me. Your stories, you can do again. When it comes to stories, you can't really do only me, but you can do only your Facebook friends, or you can just hide from a specific friend. Okay, if you want to hide a story, you can hide it from a specific friend. That's it, and then click next. Okay, when you click next in the bottom, then it's going to change to only me, and then click next again. So, and again, go back, and then click on how to keep your account secret. Okay, and then click continue again, and here this is not the information that you really care about. All you have to do is go back and then click how people can find you or Facebook. Just click here and then click continue, and here you can just, you are in control of who can send you a friend request. If you don't want to get a friend request from everyone, you can just click friends of friends. You can't do this only me, but you can click friends of friends, so not everyone can send you a friend request on your Facebook. So there are a lot of information here to change. If this video helped you, please drop a like, and see you guys in the next video. Click in the video in the screen if you want to learn more, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys.